Hi everyone and welcome. My name is Andreas Watts, and in this tutorial we're gonna learn about this.
Okay everyone, so in this TubeBuddy tutorial in 2019 we're gonna learn how you can do YouTube keyword research. So we're gonna use a tool for video SEO called TubeBuddy. This is a great tool. It's used by millions of creators on YouTube. Alright, so first we're gonna learn how we can use this tool to find a good title that we can rank for in the organic search. Alright, and we're gonna show you how TubeBuddy works. So we're gonna do our keyword research right here in the search bar on YouTube. So let's say that you have a healthy YouTube channel and want to make smoothies. Alright, and if you want to follow along with this tutorial, you can just go in the description below and click on the link and install TubeBuddy yourself. But first we're gonna do the keyword research, and after that we're gonna show you how you can install TubeBuddy in your own Chrome browser. Okay, so let's say we want to create a smoothie recipe and we want to rank for it. So first I'm gonna just type in smoothie and hit enter. And now you can see that we get these words after the smoothie. So this is top keywords that people search for on YouTube. So we got recipes, smoothie the cat, smoothie bowl, smoothie diet, smoothie blender. Okay, so let's say we want to do the first one. So just click on smoothie recipes. Okay, so now we got the results right here. And as you can see, we got the TubeBuddy extension right here. We got some information about this search. So if you want to follow along, you can just go to the description and click on the link and install. But if you want to wait, we can do this later on in this video. Okay? So now you can see search volume. It's high, but also the competition. It's very high. So we got a score of 9. That means if you're a small channel, it's going to be really hard to rank for this keyword search term. Okay, so although the keyword is searched very often, it is bad to target because it's extremely competitive and hard to rank for. Okay, and we also got these related searches. So smoothie recipes for weight loss, smoothie recipes with frozen fruit. So we can also find related searches right here. So if you want to check one of these, you can just click on the link and you will see the keyword right here. And we got a new result for this one. So this one is fair. It got 30. It's better, but it's not great. Alright, so you got more related searches right here. And you also got most used tags. So most used tags from the top ranking videos. And we can also click on keyword stats. So analysis of channels and videos on this search page. So we got most views, 2,700,000, least views, 10,000. We got most subscribers, we got least subscribers, keyword in titles, so 2. So this keyword in the titles right here. So that's great. Keyword in description, 3. Keyword in tags. So 20 is 20 videos right here. And 2 is how many of these videos has this keyword search term in the title. Okay. And the keywords in tags, how many of these videos have this search term as a tag. So in this case 0. And we got published last 7 days to top channel, this one, and video you own. So I don't have any videos on this search term, so 0. Okay, so we can delete this one and move on where we were before. So we're gonna do from smoothie recipes. And now we're gonna click one more time right here and hit space. Now we got more keyword searches that we can choose from. So we got for weight loss with frozen fruit. So the same thing as we see right here. So let's say I want to do for weight loss. And now we can click one more time and hit space. And let's say we want to do smoothie recipes for weight loss in winter. Click on that. So now we can see that we got a more long tail keyword. That means this search term is not just smoothie recipes, it's a long term keyword. So smoothie recipes for weight loss in winter. And now we got good 47. So there is a little bit of competition, but this keyword is searched so often it's worth targeting. So this is a good title that we can have in our video. And if I click one more time, we don't have any more suggestions related searches on this term. Okay, so all you can do is you can just change it right here. So you can do smoothie recipes for weight loss like that in winter, and also add a current year like that, and just copy the title like that. And now you have a great title that you can rank for on YouTube using this keyword research tool called TubeBuddy. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you how you can install TubeBuddy. You can install it for free, and if you want more settings and stats, you can just upgrade. You can always do this for free, and if you want more, just upgrade. Okay, so go and click on the link below. Okay, so this will take you to this page. Now you can go up and click on sign in right here in the top right corner. And now you can click on sign in with Google. Choose your Google account. And that's it. You now have a TubeBuddy account. Okay, so now we can go up to support, click on tool list. Click on install free on Chrome. So you need to have a Chrome browser. And just click on add to Chrome. Add extension. Okay, so TubeBuddy for YouTube has been added to Chrome. Okay, so let's go back to your account, and now you can click on add channel. You can choose your email, choose the account you want to use. So let's say I want to have this one, and read about the terms. Then click on allow. Like that. Okay, so now we have added our channel. We got TubeBuddy as an extension on Chrome. And if you go to YouTube, and then we're gonna click right here to sign in. Sign in with YouTube. Choose the account. Choose the channel. Click on allow. And now you have successfully signed in. So search for smoothie. And now we have the search explorer right here. Okay everyone, so this is how you can do keyword research for your YouTube videos using TubeBuddy. And more tutorials like this is coming, so make sure to subscribe to learn more about TubeBuddy on how we can grow our YouTube channel with the views and subscribers and all that. Okay, so I hope this helped.
Okay everyone, so I hope this was helpful. If you want, you can leave a comment below if this worked or not. You can also subscribe to my channel for more of these videos. Just click on this image. Alright, and let's go to the next video. Just check out my latest video right here. Alright, so I hope you have an awesome day. Take care and bye.